In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Shopify subscription. To cancel your Shopify subscription, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to the settings section by clicking on the settings button. Now, once you're redirected to the settings section, go ahead and head over to the plan section. Now in here, go ahead and click on the cancel trial button. If you're subscribing to a plan, you can find a cancel plan button. Now go ahead and click on the continue button and select the reason why you want to close down your Shopify store. Now click on next. After that, go ahead and click on the deactivate now button to deactivate your Shopify store. Now once this deactivation is done, you'll get redirected into this page where you can view your past bills or select a new plan for your store. And that's how you can simply cancel your Shopify subscription. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.